So lastly, we're just going to do a fodder available budget on the farm. So normally this will be done in the winter period when cows are going to be housed, just to assess what's there in the yard, but it'll be useful as well to assess what's left after the housing period is finished, just to assess what's there in case challenging weather conditions come up during the rest of the year, to see what situation your farm is in. So as usual, you log into the desktop here, then you're going down to farm management, and then your second tab here is fodder available budget. So as I said, ideally you would have one done already in say September, October, to see what is in the yard. If not, you're starting from fresh, and then so you're going to add a new on today's date. So we're going to just select the animals that are in the yard. So spring milker, and we're just going to say there's 100 spring milkers, and that will calculate their demand. So you can select whether they're homegrown or purchased, but at the moment we're just going to select homegrown. So 2 pits of silage, and we'll just put in 4x4 round bales as well. Now, so just putting in the length, width and height of the pit. So we're going to say 5 by 5. Let's just change that to 10. And then we'll go, the length of the pit is going to be, say, 5 by 5 by 5 in our pit that's eaten. And we're just going to say they're in 50 bales in the yard. So that will calculate how much fodder is available for the livestock that you've input. So you can see there is 75 tonnes of fodder available, and there's 39 days of fodder available for the livestock that you've put in, and that will do you till the 16th of March. So if you do want to add in that you'll be feeding meal, so you can say feeding meal, and if there's a number of days that you have in your head till you think you're going to be turning out, say maybe 10 days. So you can update that, and then based on the current figures, we see there's 39 days of fodder without meal, and there's 40 days of fodder available with meal.